In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock the Crypto.com bonus using a referral code. If you're eager to maximize your experience on Crypto.com, stick around as I guide you through this straightforward process so that you can start enjoying the benefits of additional bonuses right away. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Crypto app. If you're not familiar with it, this is a powerful and secure platform where you can buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and over 400 other altcoins. Once you're on the app, you'll notice three horizontal lines located at the upper left corner of the screen. We often refer to this symbol as a hamburger menu due to its appearance. Go ahead and tap on these lines, which will open up a main menu that houses a variety of options tailored to your Crypto.com experience. Next, from this menu, you'll want to select the Settings option. Entering the settings allows you to control and customize various aspects of your account and enhance your overall user experience. It's always a good idea to explore this section when you have a moment just to familiarize yourself with your app's capabilities. Once you're in the settings, look for the option called Add Sign-up Code. This option is pivotal for unlocking your referral bonus. Tap on it and you'll be directed to a space where you can type in your code. Keep in mind that having the correct referral code is essential to redeeming your bonus successfully. If you don't have a code at hand, perhaps check with the person who referred you or take a look at any promotional material you may have received for Crypto.com. Enter the code carefully, ensuring that there are no errors. Make sure your internet connection is stable throughout this process, as connectivity issues can sometimes interfere with code submissions. Once you've successfully entered the code, take a moment before proceeding to verify that there are no mistakes. It might be a seemingly small detail, but it's crucial because typing errors could prevent you from claiming your bonus. After you've double-checked everything, proceed to submit your code. Once submitted, your bonus should apply to your account and you can start taking advantage of the extra perks that come with it. These bonuses can vary but often include increased interest rates on your crypto holdings or reduced trading fees, giving you a better overall experience on Crypto.com. And there you have it, a simple way to make your Crypto.com journey a bit more rewarding. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just getting your feet wet, utilizing a sign-up bonus can give you a nice jumpstart. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy trading!